My fault. Hold on. And it fucked around and really started like fucking like 2-3 minutes ago. I thought I wasn't finna catch it. Hold on, and they still coming, and they still coming, and they still coming. I guess in some way this is somebody's protest. So yay for y'all. Just don't do anything crazy. But also you need to be vocal so that when the fucking newspaper hits it, it hears you fucking. So when they fuck around and say, hey, they go those crazy fucking Segway hoverboard people. I'm saying they have something to identify you to. Oh fuck, they still coming. Okay, I think that's it. No, goddamn. Still. Uh oh, somebody got fucking Grogu. Huh, got Grogu. Somebody bought the Grogu hand. Alright, I think that's about it. Alright, this is fucking few strategies, but fuck yeah, that's it. Hold on. And you fuck around and saw how long it was that you were sitting here watching, right? And it was fucking really almost like 20, 30 seconds before that.